AMPL stock analysis and AMPL stock prediction. Is it a buy right now? Watch this 1-minute video till the end, find out. I'm looking at Amplitude stock. It's $14.44, 22% up. Before I get into it, context, I've spent 5 figures on courses and mentors, covered all of it on my YouTube channel. And I actually am very intrigued by this because we're breaking a supply zone in a very, very nice way, actually. It's not like your typical. It's actually with a full candle close there. Friday is going to be big, but I really doubt that this is not going to deliver. Obviously, I'm not here to assume, but I'm more so here to react. So if I do see those like little retracements, then man, you know I'm going to get involved. Like, why wouldn't I? No reason not to. So what I'm doing in the meantime is Friday is going to be obviously waiting for the pre-market and how that's going to roll. But if you want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, just click the first link in the description. That's a free newsletter. Goodbye and enjoy.